Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions, profitable passive income has recently come in. I'm live here in my all-time for my Warrior Plus account, and the sales now are currently at, in this column here, $19,542 in sales. In the right hand column here, this is the commission column. So the commissions I've earned are now 9,745. This column on the left here is really important. This is I've sold 2,153 products, and I'm going to show you a bit later on how you can promote one link and earn multiple income streams. So more importantly in this video, I want to share with you these traffic offers are autopilot buyers traffic offers. I recommend that you promote traffic, not just buy it. I recommend you become an affiliate and promote it, because traffic's an evergreen niche and it's something that everyone needs more and more of. And by following my system, I'll teach you how to get your traffic for free. So that's the first sort of starting point. Buyer traffic is the best traffic you can get online, and these systems allow you to automate that, so you're going to get your buyers traffic on autopilot. There are some multiple income streams where you promote one link within these traffic offers as well. So what that allows you to do, it allows you to get into profit potentially quicker, and also get into profit every single month with recurring income and multiple income streams. And that gives you what's called a funded traffic proposal. So what that means in the industry, it means that every single month you are in profit, and you can take a percentage of those profits to buy more traffic and scale up your offers. Now, the important thing here is that if you're like me, you've got a full-time job, then you're no longer having to buy traffic from your job income or your wages or even your savings in your bank account. That traffic is going to come from profits. And if you want to go to the next level, I'm going to teach you my system to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus offers every single month. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, not making any guarantees in this video or income claims. I'm just sharing with you what works for me and our team, and we've all got an opportunity to become an affiliate for these offers, and also become a member and an affiliate. So if we just go into the area here, let's just show you first of all some important information on why this is so successful. So this little arrow here, these little arrows down the right hand side, these denote how many months in a row the members are paying their subscription. So I'm a member of each and every one of these offers. You have to become a member before you can become an affiliate. So you'll see there with the Click engine, this member's been paying 17 months in a row. Where there's no gaps here, these are new members coming in. I'll just show you some more proof of that shortly. So when you come down here, you're going to see all of these circular arrows, new members coming in, second month in a row, second month in a row. This member's been paying for 23 months in a row. So all these circular arrows down the right hand side here, they're all monthly recurring payments that are coming in. So what that enables you to do, it enables you to start each and every month building a solid, stable, passive income, profitable passive income as well. Now, when you go into Warrior Plus, when you go into notifications here, and what this does, it shows you, it gives you over the days and hours where your new members are joining. So I just scroll down here and show you briefly this page. I've got 908 in here, but I want to show you the last sort of 28 days just on the results of page one here, page one results. So each and every one of these are all new members coming in. I'm going to give you my free done for you funnels I'll just come to that shortly and show you how that works. Also, I'm going to give you all the resources that I personally use. Now, what you'll see here is the days here, 28 days, 26 days, 25, 20. Now, on some days, you'll see here, so if we go on to this one here, 20 days ago, we've got 1, we've got 2, we've got 3, we've got 4, we've got 5, and we've got 6 new commissions have come in one day. As you scroll down, you'll see the consistency: 19 days, 13 days. 13 days ago, 5, 6, 7 commissions came in one day. These are not the recurring commissions. These are new referrals and new members joining these systems. 12 days ago, 10 days ago, 10 days ago, 9, 8, 7, all the way down to yesterday, when we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a day yesterday. So that's just sort of an insight as to not just the recurring income, but when you promote the offers, you're going to get new members that are always looking for traffic, autopilot buyers traffic. So these are the funnels I want to give you. I've done these funnels to help you boost your commissions, but also to help you earn multiple income streams. So I have done a done for you funnel for 5 of the offers. If you want these funnels, if you partner with me, I'll give you these. There'll be links in the description where you can partner with me. If you're already a member of any of these, just send me an email. Email address in the description, and then I'll just send the share codes over to you. So you're going to get a done for you capture page. It's an example of the Click engine. You're going to get an example of, you're going to get a lead capture page done for you. I create the video, so you don't have to do any videos here. It's all done for you. You'll just promote one link. And then when your prospect goes and puts their email address into here, then they get taken to a welcome page. Now, on the welcome page is where I show proof that this really works. I update these proof videos on a consistent basis, so you don't have to do those either. All you do is, to earn your commissions, is put your affiliate link into these buttons here. Now, I show you down here a tutorial, or 2 tutorials on how to do that. So if you're brand new and you're a beginner, you can still do this. They're just called share codes. Now, Leads Leap do a share code that you just copy like this, and then you paste it into Leads Leap. And this funnel will completely be cloned to you. All you've got to do is put your affiliate links into here, and you're going to earn the commissions, multiple income streams, passive income. Now, Leads Leap here is the platform that we host it on. So you can use Leads Leap to promote any offers online, not just these offers. It's a complete system and platform. Now, if I show you here, if I show you my commissions with Leads Leap, this is another additional income stream if you use my funnels that you can also earn. So you'll see my total earnings for Leads Leap so far, $1,081 here. So that's just live in my Leads Leap account there. So you're not only earning Warrior Plus commissions with my funnels, you're also earning Leads Leap passive income as well. Now, I've even done some emails for you as well. So I've done an email series, so email follow-ups here. Got the share codes there. I've personally handwritten these emails. Just show you those here. I haven't used ChatGTP. I haven't used AI. I've personally handwritten these emails for you to help you boost your commissions. So we need an autoresponder. It's important to have an autoresponder because only 1% of your prospects will buy from you on the first exposure. Now, to get consistent commissions and to be able to build an email list and follow up, your prospect need to see your offer up to 6 or 7 times. So I will always do at least 7 emails to put your offer in front of your prospects at least 7 times. And these go out on autopilot with the autoresponder for leads leap. Your affiliate link just goes into here, and again, you'll be earning the commissions. So let's just have a look now at the system that I've created where you can duplicate these results. So the video here is called How to Get Your Buyer Traffic for Free. It's a lot more than that. It's how to earn profitable passive income, how to put your offer in front of thousands of buyers, existing buyers, how to put your offer in front of thousands of new buyers that are joining every single month. They're joining these offers, multiple income streams, etc. So this video here is the one to watch. I've laid the system out in simple steps. If you're a beginner again, it's perfect for beginners as well. If you're struggling to earn consistent commissions online, or you want to start earning profitable passive income, then just follow the steps in this video here. And I'm going to pin this page with this video on to the first comment below the video you're watching now, if you want to watch that. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new uploads. I do several new uploads every single week, and I've got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about any of the content in this video, please put those in the comments below, and I'll answer your questions for you. And my email address will be in the description. So if you want any help with your affiliate marketing, I do mentor one-to-one. So just send me an email from the email address in the description. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So all the links are in the description for the information I've given out here today. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and I do look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.